Hello everyone, this is Juan the Board Artist and welcome once again to my channel Juan the Board Artist. And if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please do connect with me by clicking that subscribe button down below. Where is it? I think here. And don't forget also to hit the notification bell for you to be more updated of my upcoming contents. And for this vlog, I think first time niyo ako nakitang magsombrero. Hindi ako sanay magsombrero, but magulo ang aking buhok. I just woke up and hindi pa ako naligo. Diba? Ganang salubong sa 2021. Anyways, I think okay din naman. Hindi to akin kay Just Bites ito. Ayan, Just Bites, hiramin ko muna. Ayan, for this vlog, we will be unboxing something which I purchased last December 29, and a week after dumating siya. I purchased this on Amazon and we'll see. And as you all know guys, comfortable ako mag-edit ng mga videos ko using my phone kasi mabilis at napaka-handy lang. So anywhere and anytime kaya ko siyang gawin. Lalo na kung at mas mabilis ako mag-edit sa phone. Pero as you all know, phones are not actually designed for vlogging, for taking videos. And since Christmas naman, and I've been really working hard, ayan, gift ko na rin sa sarili ko, and wala akong gift sa sarili ko nung last December 14, yung birthday ko. So I thought of buying something which is hindi naman ganun dapat expensive, and where in fact challenge to sa akin na and this is one of the things that I have realized or learned while we are having this pandemic, especially no quarantine time, na we have to be more practical. That being said, di kailangan gumastos ng malaki, and yeah, pandemic times, quarantine times has taught us a lot of things. Pero kasi nasabi ko nga, nag-i-edit ako sa phone ko, and ang phones natin may mga limits yan so especially sa memory space, kaya medyo mababagal, and since I have sabi ko nga, hindi siya designed talaga for taking videos ang mobile phones natin, even if it's a smartphone. So kailangan ng camera, of course, or video camera, so whatever you call that. Gusto ko din masubukan actually. So I ordered a what do you call this? Camcorder. Yes, camcorder. Napaka old fashioned, 'di ba? Masyado baka luma, pero why not, 'di ba? And I had a chance to search through Google kung ano yung mga suggested na mga cameras or inexpensive camcorders or video cameras na may sasuggest, especially if you're into YouTubing or vlogging. Sa Amazon, merong sinuggest. I was surprised na hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. Actually, it cost me only 427 or to be exact 426.99 reals. So hindi siya ganun ka-expensive if you try to compare it with some of the known brands ng camera. Ayan, ako, pasensya na. Ayan, so hindi siya ganun ka-expensive guys. So parang 427 siguro, nasa na siya, 500 plus 5,000 or almost 6,000 pesos siya. So, i-convert natin. So, we'll see. So, ito na nga guys, yung package. So, we'll try to open this. While opening this, I would like to share you the description of this. If you happen to visit Amazon website and search this, ang description niya is image sensor CMOS. Ang ISO niya is meron siyang automatic 100 up to 1600 na ISO. Storage niya, it can support SD or SDHC card, maximum of 128 GB. Lens, it's fixed. Meron siyang fixed na lens na f 2.6. Tapos ang focus range niya is from 50 cm or 0.5 meters to infinity. Ayan. Ito, ayan ha. And photo, JPEG, of course, 30 megapixel, video format, MP4, resolution 4K, 24 frames per second, 2.7, 30 frames per second. Of course, the common one, which is 1080, 30 frames per second, at meron din 720. Ayan, and meron siyang pwede siyang 18 times digital zoom, anti-shake, face detection. It can support also voice, and the common ones, so white balance niya, auto, daylight, cloudy, tungsten, fluorescent, exposure from -2 to +2. It has a self timer, and one of the features for this is meron siyang microphone, external microphone. Ayan, auto power, battery, of course, and total weight, package weight is at 275 grams. Ayan, let's open this one, guys. It says here 4K Ultra HD 4K video camera. I hope that it will work well, you know. So of course, meron siyang ayan, manual. Ayan, what I like also with this video camera 4K camcorder is that meron siyang kasamang wide angle lens with macro stereo on camera microphone, and then meron siyang monitor na pwede mo siyang ma-flip 360. Ayan, so ito na, meron siyang case, meron siyang lagayan. It's a cute one. Ayan. Ayan, ito na nga. Ayan, digital video camera. Ayan na. Ito siya. Ito na siya, guys. Ayan. Actually, you can search this via Google, or better visit Amazon to look for this particular product. Ayan. So, parang ganito lang siya na, guys. At saka, pwede mo siya makonect ng mga stabilizers. Ayan, kasi meron siya. Ayan, meron siya. Ayan, 30 megapixels. Ayan, ito yung nagustuhan ko. Kasi pwede kang mag-selfie. Ayan, iikot mo lang siya. Ayan, makikita mo. Ayan. So, while taking a video, ayan, pwede mo siyang nakaharap sa'yo, of course, para makita mo kung ano yung kinukuhanan mo. Ayan. So, may mga simple na rin mga functions niya. Ayan. I hope it's clear. Power. So, ano kaya to? Ayan, ito ata itong lens, no? Itong kasamang macro lens. Diba? Not bad. I mean, I'm happy. Hindi ako nagsisi. But of course, depende na rin yung kung paano. Siyempre, hindi pa ako nakabili ng ito yung microphone. Hindi pa ako nakabili ng internal memory card. SD card. Kailangan pa. Ito yung microphone. Ang cute. Yan, ito yung co-connect natin. Yan, paano kaya to? Ayaw. Ano kaya? How to connect this? Here? How? Ayan. Panindigan mo. Ganito. Ayun. Ito pala siya. Ayan na. Cute. Siyempre, kukonect to somewhere sa ilalim. Ayan. I think here. Where? Mic, ayan, nandito pala sa likod. Nandito pala sa likod. Ayan, na-connect na natin ng microphone, no? So, ganito yung setup niya. Ganito yung mangyayari, no? So, dito yung monitor niya. So, ito yung one of the features talaga. Which is good. I find it cute, and so far naman sa mga reviews, okay naman siya. Yung quality niya, of course, much like the usual smartphones na kaya din yan, no, yung quality. So, soon, susubukan natin to. Ayan, meron siyang cover sa lens niya dito. Ito yung cover para maprotektahan ang ating lens, and of course yung battery. Dalawa ang battery, guys. Ayan, may extra isa siyang remote control. Ayan, aralin natin to, guys. And of course, mga cables, yung kailangan nito for, ito yung HDMI, pwede natin i-connect siya sa TV. Ayan, HDMI cable. So, for now, I cannot tell you kung talagang super ganda or maganda talaga. Pero ako, as of this time, sulit naman. I'm happy kasi mukhang mukhang matibay, and hindi ako nagsisi sa 400 reals, di ba? So why not? Siguro ang kulang na lang nito is I need to buy a stabilizer, no? Stabilizer for cameras or camcorder. So thank you, guys. Ito na yung natin, 4K Ultra HD digital video camera. Ayan. We will be using this on our future vlogs. So if you want to purchase this one, just visit Amazon, and I will be sharing it on the description box below. May mga details for this 4K Ultra HD video digital video camera. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo lang bumili, kung interested, kasi mura na siya, guys, and ito yung isa talaga sa mga sinuggest sa mga, especially kung magsisimula ka ng vlogging or YouTubing. So I think this is a decent one. Syempre, kung saan tayo makamura, of course, not compromising the quality. So, but of course, you cannot compare those high-end na mga cameras like Nikon at Canon. Diba? Syempre, mahal yun. So, if you want to be more practical and not spend much money, and yet yung quality ng output nandun, so, diba? Okay na rin siya. Okay? Ang cute. Meron siyang case. Ayan. So, pwede natin dalhin kahit saan man tayo. Alright.